As the snowstorm raged outside, Emily huddled in her isolated cabin, her breath visible in the frigid air. Her phobia of snow had always been a crippling fear, but tonight it felt different. The howling wind carried whispers, chilling her to the bone. She peered out the window, heart racing as shadows seemed to dance in the swirling snow. Suddenly, a loud thump came from the roof, followed by scraping sounds. Emily's terror peaked as she realized something was moving above her, something alive. The walls of the cabin felt like they were closing in as the storm outside grew fiercer and the unknown presence in the snow got closer. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this Drawn to Fear presentation.